The theme was forest animal birthday party, and I got this here. This is just a table napkin, and I got mugs with the same print, and a happy birthday garland with the same print. And I also got napkins, which I don't have anymore, unfortunately. I also got these stuffed animals from Coop. I only have two, which was enough. You will need this tape here to hold the balloons together, but you need to be quite careful if your wall is painted or has a wallpaper. It sticks very quickly and it's not easy to take off. So if you can find an alternative than using this, or if you don't mind having the paint ripped off while you're taking off the stickers here, then you can use this. But I was super careful with it. I didn't let it stay on for too long. You will need this here for attaching the balloons onto, so it's just this straight feel. So you use this here, you put the balloon through this big hole, and then you pull it onto this other side. And yeah, so this is how it looks. So I also use different balloons. I got these off Amazon, and they come in different colors and shapes, greens, whites. I actually used a lot of whites, and this one here with confettis inside. Initially my plan wasn't to use colored balloons, but I thought it would be more lively to have different colors like blue, different shades of green, different shades of blue, different shades of you know, pink and all these, and a bit of yellow here and orange here, and it turned out super cute. So I'm very happy that I incorporated bright colors. you.